2017 Chevrolet Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.